If you have lost your Brawl Stars account and don't know how to get it back, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the exact process to recover your account step by step. Brawl Stars account can usually be recovered if you still remember some details related to the account, so make sure to follow all the steps carefully. First, open Brawl Stars on your phone. Once the game opens, tap on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top corner of the screen. From there, go to Settings and then tap on Help and Support. Now look for the message or chat icon and tap on it. After that, select Leave a message to contact support. The support system will show you multiple options. Here, choose Login and Supercell ID issues and then select Recover my account. Next, the game will ask you for your player tag. So before starting the recovery process, make sure you have the player tag ready. If you don't know your player tag, there are still a couple of ways to find it. You can check your lost account through your friend's friend list, or open your club and check the club member list if your account was part of a club. Once you find the player tag, tap on Continue. Now comes the important part. The support team will ask you several questions related to your account. For example, when the account was created, devices used to play, previous usernames, purchases made on the account, or any other details connected to the account. Make sure you answer everything as accurately as possible because these answers help prove that the account actually belongs to you. After submitting all the information, follow any additional instructions provided by the support. If the details match, your account will most likely be recovered successfully. And that's basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor for more tutorials and recovery guides.